What's going down, everybody? It's your boy, that guy, my high tune back in for another reaction. This time we got another one. Well, I can't say another one. It's actually a new channel I found called 50 Patrol. You know, I'm gonna hit that subscribe button. Shout out to 50 Patrol. Police sergeant gets DUI. Don't push my buttons. We're gonna see what happens. You know what I'm saying? You know, hey, cops aren't above the law and shouldn't be above the law. Even though we know some of them tend to, you know, get a little bit of help from their fellow brothers in blue. They shouldn't be above the law. So yeah, we'll see how this interaction goes down. Now with these body cams, there's a lot less, you know, helping out that can happen really, unless they just don't turn their body cam on. But yeah, we'll see how this goes. But anyways, before we do that, let's jump into giving all the shout outs to the members real quick. We got Taylor, Shauna, Trey420, Driver Thoughts, Kara, Neek, Dwayne, Nick, Dave, Hollaboy, Happy Chick, Wild Turkey, Jamal, Netcoast, Lynn Willow, Epic Service, Misty, Ryan, Sam, Keith, Manly, Funny Farm, Hologirl, Diesel, Creatively Saying, Nicole, Aaron, Mama Dukes, Robin Lynn, Amy Jane Doe, Liz Nugget, My Hood Life, and Gary Willis. Gang, gang, gang. You dig what I'm saying, man? There's so many of you guys. Shout out to all the members of the channel, man. Y'all are amazing. If you guys want to join these amazing individuals, think about hitting that join button down below. You got 3 different options to choose from. And if anything, please just hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification. It's free 99 and it helps your boy out tremendously. But again, if you want to, you know, join the members, think about hitting the join button. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Anyways, let's go ahead and jump into this video, man. Let's hit that full screen and let's see what's going down. Let's go. Shade.
Morning.
They got a lot of cops over here.
Okay.
Why they blink that out? Oh, come on, man. That was the good information right there.
Okay. Okay. What crash-wise, what happened?
He rolled up to his truck. He said, well, he was parked. They came up on him and he passed out.
Okay, so he didn't hit anything.
Well, it's there. We don't know if it's hurt damage. He hit the front, he hit the rear bumper of that truck. But I can't see it.
I wish they would have showed us the tape of him pulling up.
Yeah, you can see it's bent in.
Okay.
I mean, at least he hit the little bumper part of that Chevy. That's easy fix. He didn't hit that shit. That truck is meant to take some, you know, a little bit of abuse. That's the trail boss. You're supposed to take that shit out 4x4. You know what I'm saying? 4-wheeling and all that good jazz. Doing some trails and shit. If he can't take a little tap like that, I don't know. You know what I'm saying? You spend a lot of money on some shit.
Yeah, this could be a 31, so it's
apart.
times.
But I don't think that's the case.
62639.
Trail boss.
This could be a 31, 17 in time. Straight for unit 1.
It looks like it was sitting up high enough that it really just tapped the
Indiana, it'll be University Plate. Queen Tom 3663. Queen Tom 3663. Indiana, be the University Plate.
Okay, you've got a lot of them in your mind. Can you revise?
Union Queen 3663. Union Queen, correction. Queen Tom 3663. Queen Tom 3663.
It's a nice Jeep too. One of them Rubicon Wranglers.
Hey, we're going to be able to park this legal.
We should. Is there anybody else in his car? Just him?
is Buddy at? We ain't even seen Buddy.
Being ready for unit 2. "576, young Tom Robert. 576, young Tom Robert."
Man, they like taking all sorts of pictures of the car. Well, just in case it gets, this dude tries to report any sort of damage that wasn't already there. I want to see the cop now. Where's the cop at?
So who was the one that rolled up on him?
Which one you guys rolled up on?
This gentleman right here? Were you the one that rolled up on him?
Yeah.
Okay.
Me and her.
Can you give me a statement about it? Briefly, what happened though? What did you see?
So we're checking for spots over here where you roll up on him and he has his car on. He slumped over. We knocked on the window and he just wasn't waking up.
Okay.
Refusing to get out of the car.
Oh, so he was already there.
So, and then obviously he smelled alcohol. So
Did he make any statements to you, anything like that?
no, he couldn't talk. He was like just mumbling.
He's mumbled.
Yeah.
Okay. Did
That's
you
a young
see his
cop.
eyes, anything like
He
that?
doing fucking.
I just smelled it.
Okay. Was there anything in the vehicle? Like you see, like on the floorboard and the set
nervous,
Yeah,
bro?
he has,
You a
he has that
police
bottle of
officer.
vodka in the
Yeah.
vehicle that we observed.
Is it open?
Yeah.
Okay.
Or
I think it
don't know how
was.
much
I
is
just
in
saw
it,
a
I
bottle of
didn't look.
vodka next to him.
You had a ball of vodka next to him?
Yeah, it was it was right next to him. Yeah.
Okay, in the seat.
Kind of like it's big enough where it covered the seat and like
Okay.
floor.
I see what you're saying.
I saw cans, but I don't think that's alcohol. I think it's like energy drinks or whatnot.
Okay. I'll figure it out in a minute. He's in that vehicle?
Yeah.
He said
That's
he
our
had-
guy on duty, like
In the
normal
vehicle?
duty. Yeah.
Glove box.
Because we're doing the event. Did you need OH3s from us?
If
We're
you
the
would-
ones that discovered
Yeah,
it.
if you wouldn't mind. If you could write me out something on there. and
Oh,
the
so they're
contact
just-
information for
okay.
you all and who you are.
So
I
they're
can
just
get in touch with you
off-duty
about
cops
it.
right now. He's
All
still a
right.
young cop, but they're just
I'll be right
doing
back.
event duty right now. They ain't even on actual shifts. That's why they're like, damn, man, we don't even want to do this shit, bro. We're trying to just go and get some extra hours in this shit. Sit here and direct traffic and, you know what I'm saying? Damn. And then to come to find out it's a fucking Sargent? Oh, bro.
You said your wife's number is in your phone. I need a phone number. So what's your phone number? We'll get that from the phone.
Yeah, I'm gonna work on it.
Well, I gotta get a little bit of information.
He's gonna come with me.
I'm not trying to be. I'm not.
All right,
It's fine. It's fine.
All right, man. I'm Trooper Garner. How's it going? All right, you're gonna come out here with me. You're gonna sit in my car, okay? I'm gonna talk to you.
Yeah, you getting talked to, bro. You're a fucking
right.
police officer. You're supposed to be upholding the law.
My wife's.
Being 66.
What's going on tonight?
I drank too much. That's it. Plain and simple. Ain't no goddamn mystery.
Step out here with me. We're gonna have to sit in
You
my
don't
car.
need to
okay?
call in
Talk
the,
to you.
you know, the mystery squad, the
Hey, brother,
Scooby Doo and
talk
shit.
to him so he
Fuck
can-
outta
Yeah,
here.
come on, man.
Do as much as he can.
Here's my phone.
Yeah, we got it. No, we're.
Okay.
Let him talk to you in his car.
That's all we need.
No, I need you to step out.
Come on.
Come on.
No.
Yes.
Hey, bud.
Look,
We talked about this earlier.
I'm gonna
When
tell
you
you.
got here, you were going to cooperate with him. I know you wasn't with me, but you're going to with him.
I don't want to take you to jail tonight. Okay.
And we told you
But
that.
if you're going to push my buttons, we'll go straight to jail.
Ooh,
I'm
he
not
said you
kidding
gonna
with
push
you,
my
okay?
buttons.
I understand what's going on. I can smell it come from
We
your
had to
breath.
get the state trooper
I already know
involved.
what's going
It's a
on.
cop.
You're starting to push my buttons already. If you're going to be compliant, be compliant. If not, we can go to jail.
Trooper or
And you can figure it out later.
sheriff.
okay? I'm trying to be polite with you, but you're not wanting to look me in the eye. You're not even wanting to speak to me. Ask your name, you just look down, okay?
Peter Fegus.
Peter
Oh,
Fegus?
Fegus.
Fegus.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm
That's
Trooper Gordon.
yes.
Bro,
I'm Trooper Gordon. I'm gonna have you step out with me, or we're gonna go back to my patrol car, okay? So please step out. Because I can have them transport you to jail, and I can just move from there. It doesn't matter to me, okay? So would you like to step out now? Come on, man.
Stick with him.
Just work
Stick
with me.
with him. Stick with him.
Just work with me, okay? All right, step out, man.
yo, you gotta get your ass out. He's trying to be super. Look, this is that. I'm being really nice to you right now because you are a cop. Like they know who he is at this point. So they're like, look, I'm being really nice with your ass. Don't press my buttons. This shit could get really ugly for you. Like, oh shit. Get your ass out. You better listen.
Need help?
You better listen.
I'm that far back here. You injured or anything? Taking medications, anything like that? No? Okay. You wear contacts or glasses? Stop here for a minute. All right, I'm gonna take a look at your eyes. Is that all right? Something you want to do? No?
I'm sorry.
I'm gonna take a look at your eyes. Is that okay? Is that something you're willing to do? Okay, well, I'm gonna put your feet together for me. All right. See, tip my pen.
Okay.
Is it something you're willing to do?
He's being
Hey,
so
look,
uncooperative, bro.
predicated on whether or not you take any tests or anything
Yeah,
is not
right,
how I
yeah,
determine.
called him the highway patrol, 'cause they needed a state cop.
SDs.
Correct.
Right.
Come
I'm
deal
going to
with
explain
this
it to you
cop.
real quick, though, okay? Whether or not you refuse it is not predicated on whether or not you go to jail. Your attitude determines that with me, okay? I'll be upfront with you. As long as you're polite and cooperative, I'll work with you to get you home, okay? But if you're gonna be a pain to me,
I'm not being.
let me finish. If you're gonna be a pain about stuff and not let me do my job, we'll just go to jail and I'll solve the problem for myself. That's how I do it, okay? So if you don't want to take this, you don't have to. You know that legally, as the rest of us do here. I have to offer it to you. I have to try to do what I can do, okay? I clearly see that you've been drinking. I can smell it on your breath.
Okay.
All right, I see red shot, bloodshot, glassy eyes. They found you slumped over the wheel. I'm just trying to do my due diligence and check. You don't have to, but if you do, that's all I'm trying to do. So it's entirely up to you whether or not that's something you want to
This
do.
is gonna go one of two ways,
It's
and
entirely
you
up to
decide, player.
That's something you want to do.
You
or not.
decide.
No? Okay. So here's what, do you have problems with your shoulders or anything? No. You what? Okay. If you're cuffed in the front, I know you're a bigger guy, you probably have a hard time trying to get behind your back. No. I'm gonna have my cuffs on you instead, so I can give this gentleman back his, okay? And I'll say the other way. Other way.
I don't know.
In. Have your palm facing in. I'll just stuck.
There you go.
If you clap your hands together, it's gonna be a lot less tension. Is what I'm trying to do.
Yeah. No, I know.
Bro, you're a cop. How do you know? Oh, I mean, he's drunk too, so never mind. All his training is out the window at this point. All of it. He's remembering bits and pieces of legal mumbo jumbo that he can kind of remember. It looks like he's starting to cooperate now. Hopefully he doesn't have roadside test. You know what I'm saying? He is struggling with this curse out there. Come on, bro. There you go. Jesus, that was hard as shit for him to do. He was struggling his ass off.
Have we located the owner of the other car?
Trying to get them damn cups
Did you
off.
make an announcement? Did she say she was Chief, See what she did after.
I gotta find the owner of the other car and everything else. Alright, do you have anything on you I gotta worry about? No? Okay, you don't have anything on here to prove it quick when you're caught me? Alright, I'm telling you right now, you're under arrest for operating a vehicle impaired mode, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can't be answered in court. You have the right to talk to a lawyer before advice, before you ask any questions. If you can't afford a lawyer, want to be appointed for you prior to any questions so desired. If we wish to answer questions now without a lawyer present, we have the right to stop answering questions at any time. You also have the right to stop answering questions at any time to talk to your lawyer, you understand?
Damn. Kudos to the cop remembering the Miranda rights like that off the top of the dome. Because I ain't never seen no cop just recite that shit without the little card right in their face. Like, all right, let me read your rights. Like, yeah. Anyways, y'all let me know what y'all thought about that down in the comments below. It seemed like he got his ass exactly what he deserved. A first-class ticket straight to, jail. And whether he stayed there or them charges stuck, to be determined. But it seems like he did make it to jail, though. At least for the night. You know what I'm saying? He went to the drunk tank. I don't think he went home. But y'all let me know what y'all thought about that down in the comments below, what your theories are, what you think happened. It's shit if you went and looked it up. And if you know, let me know. All right? Catch y'all on the next one. Peace.